This is our interior design project for our subscriber Ismael. He has a large floor area, which make it too difficult for her to achieve her wants. Therefore, we are here to help him. We're going to design him interior using Japandi Minimalist style. Let's get started. This is Ismael's current layout. He reached out to us to turn this into a Japandi Minimalist space. Since he has a large floor area, we'll start by designing his sunroom, living room, dining area, and master bedroom in this video. So, stay tuned for part 2, where we'll work on his other bedroom, walk-in closet, and kitchen. Ismael also mentioned that he's just renting, and his landlord doesn't allow any structural modifications. So, we'll keep the existing flooring and the carpet in the bedrooms as requested. However, his existing pendant light doesn't align with his ideal style, and it needs to stay as is in the actual setup. But in this video, we've added suggestions and recommendations to make his rooms look better and align with the Japandi Minimalist style. This is also for our viewers who are looking for ideas or planning to design their own Japandi Minimalist space. Let's now proceed on placing furniture in each area, starting at the sunroom. We started with this $789.99 low-profile sectional sofa. It's soft and neutral, making the space look brighter and more open. The throw pillows add a little contrast, and the green pillow brings a refreshing natural touch. In the center, we placed a minimalist wood coffee table with soft curved edges. It's simple but adds just the right amount of warmth and elegance, keeping the Japandi style consistent. Under the seating area, there's a woven rug with beige tones. Its subtle abstract pattern anchors the seating area without taking away from the overall calm vibe. This lounge chair is one of my favorite pieces. Its curved design and matching neutral tone tie in perfectly with the sofa. It's stylish, comfortable, and perfectly in sync with the room's palette. We added a wall accent on the left side with vertical wood panels to bring in texture and warmth. The subtle design gives the wall a more dynamic look, while staying true to the clean and minimal Japandi aesthetic. We used plants to bring life into the space and add some greenery. These potted plants on either side of the sofa make the room feel fresher and connect it to nature, which is a key element of Japandi design. Moving into his working area, we changed the color of the existing table to a light wood finish, making it look softer and more natural while maintaining a clean look. This $148.89 working chair was kept simple and ergonomic to prioritize comfort for long hours of use. For the wall accent, we used subtle vertical wood slats that add texture and visual interest without overwhelming the space. Above the desk, the cabinets were kept sleek with light-colored panels that blend seamlessly into the design. For the decor, we added a minimalist black desk lamp and a ceramic vase with dried pampas grass, bringing in a natural organic element that perfectly complements the Japandi aesthetic. To enhance the ambiance, we added LED strip lights under the shelves and desk. These provide warm, indirect lighting, creating a cozy atmosphere while keeping the workspace bright and practical. Next, let's move on to his living area. We started with the accent wall, combining subtle vertical wood panels and smooth finishes, creating a balanced texture that adds depth to the room. To keep it simple yet stylish, we added abstract wall art in neutral tones, which ties in beautifully with the overall aesthetic. The low-profile cream sofa keeps the look clean and open, paired with green throw pillows for a refreshing contrast and neutral ones for balance. This combination not only adds comfort but also reinforces the Japandi design. In the center, we added this oval-shaped solid wood coffee table. Its soft curved edges complement the minimalist style, while the light wood finish adds warmth to the room. The rug beneath features an abstract design in beige and brown tones. It anchors the seating area and adds just the right amount of pattern to make the space feel grounded and cozy. We added another lounge chair just like the one in the sunroom. Its light wood frame and neutral upholstery make it a seamless addition to the room and perfectly aligned with the Japandi Minimalist style. On the side, we added a light wood console table with a minimalist design. It's styled with simple decor ceramic vases, a black orb sculpture, and pampas grass, which adds an organic, earthy touch. We added a ficus bonsai plant to bring life and greenery into the space, and pampas grass in a ceramic vase for texture, both enhancing the Japandi aesthetic with natural, organic touch. We also incorporated a wooden slat wall partition to subtly divide the living area from the sunroom, while maintaining an open, airy feel. For additional lighting along the top edge of the accent wall, we added strip lights to create a soft glow that highlights the wall texture without overwhelming the space. Although we mentioned that the existing pendant light will be retained, we suggest this $43.08 sculptural pendant light as well, because it fits the Japandi aesthetic perfectly. It adds warmth and elegance to the space. making it feel more inviting and a great option for viewers looking to achieve a Japandi-inspired space. For the TV area, we used light wood panels in vertical and horizontal grooves to create clean lines and subtle texture. This design adds depth and warmth to the space without overwhelming it. Below the TV, we installed a floating console in light wood. Its sleek and minimalist design keeps the area functional and clutter-free, while blending seamlessly with the wall panels. To the side, we added an open shelving. It's perfect for showcasing curated decor pieces, books, and small accents that elevate the overall look. We placed a potted olive tree on the right side to bring in a natural touch. Its delicate green leaves and organic form soften the space and add balance to the clean lines. To keep it simple yet stylish, we used neutral-toned vases, books, and dried foliage for decor. These small elements add personality while maintaining the Japandi minimalist aesthetic. For lighting, we incorporated subtle LED strip lights along the top edge of the TV wall and inside the shelving. This creates a soft ambient glow that highlights the textures and enhances the calm, cozy atmosphere of the space. Now let's explore his dining area. We started with the accent wall featuring vertical grooves that create a clean, linear texture. The soft white tone blends seamlessly with the room, adding dimension without overwhelming the space. We also added framed abstract wall art in neutral tones, which brings a focal point to the area and complements the minimalist Japandi aesthetic. We chose a sleek dining table with a light wood finish and clean lines. Its minimalist design, paired with a metal base, perfectly balances warmth and simplicity, ideal for a Japandi-inspired space. Surrounding the table are upholstered dining chairs with light beige fabric and a smooth wooden frame. Their curved backrests add a soft, organic look that keeps the design cohesive while ensuring comfort for daily use. Underneath, we chose a textured area rug with a subtle circular pattern. It anchors the dining set, adding warmth, and grounds the dining area with a simple, natural touch. To keep the decor simple yet refined, we placed a stone-textured bowl with decorative acorns and a ceramic vase with pampas grass as the centerpiece, adding texture and warmth that perfectly fits the Japandi aesthetic. Here we added a tall Japanese maple-inspired plant with delicate branches and sparse green leaves in a stone-textured vase, adding height and a natural touch to the Japandi minimalist space. Along the edges of the accent wall, we added LED strip lights to highlight the subtle framed abstract and create a soft ambient glow. We also suggest this $94.80 pendant light. Above the table features a sculptural dome-shaped design with a natural stone finish. Its layered form creates visual interest, and the soft glow it emits adds warmth and elegance perfect for a Japandi-inspired dining space. Moving on to the master's bedroom, we retained the existing carpet like I mentioned earlier, so we'll find a way to make it blend with the Japandi minimalist style that he desired. We started with the accent wall and headboard, featuring sleek vertical and horizontal grooves in a warm light wood finish. The subtle contrast from the black accents creates clean lines and adds texture without overwhelming the space. The bed is a low-profile platform design in light wood, staying true to the simplicity of Japandi style. The plush bedding in soft neutral tones adds comfort and warmth, with minimal layering to keep it clean and clutter-free. We added a muted green pillow for a subtle touch of nature-inspired color. Flanking the bed are floating wooden side tables that maintain the streamlined look of the room. The minimalist design keeps the space functional, while blending seamlessly with the accent wall. To bring in nature, we used a Japanese maple-inspired plant. Its sparse leaves add an organic and calming element to the room, perfect for a Japandi-inspired space. We placed a round, rope-textured ottoman. Its natural tone and material add softness and an earthy touch to balance the clean lines in the room. To maximize the space, we turned this corner into a vanity area. We added a wooden console with ribbed details that matches the overall aesthetic, a sleek circular mirror with built-in LED lighting, creating a soft, even illumination. For seating, we chose a compact olive green ottoman that adds a natural touch while keeping it functional. Hanging above both the headboard and vanity are sculptural pendant lights with textured dome-shaped shades. Their warm light and layered design provide an elegant focal point while keeping the space calm and harmonious. Along the headboard and underneath the bed, we added LED strip lights to highlight the grooves and add soft ambient lighting, enhancing the cozy atmosphere of the room. For the TV area, we focused on creating a clean, streamlined look that blends function and style. The wall features subtle wood panels with vertical grooves and black accent lines, adding contrast while maintaining a calm, minimal feel. Below the TV, we added a sleek console with a light wood finish and black shelving. Its low-profile design fits perfectly with the Japandi aesthetic, offering both open and closed storage to keep the area clutter-free and functional. On the console, a ceramic vase with a flowing organic form adds softness to the space, while a small branch brings in a touch of nature without overpowering the minimal look. To the side, we placed an olive tree in a neutral-toned pot. Its delicate sparse branches and muted green leaves bring height and a calming natural element, which perfectly ties in with the Japandi minimalist style. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another design tip.